how to view all of the agents that are linked with your Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can list all of the agents linked with your Claude Code. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch your Claude Code. That you can do so by opening your Windows PowerShell in administrative mode and typing in Claude. Now, once you are done typing in Claude, hit the enter button and this will launch your Claude Code CLI. Now, to check all of your agents, simply type in a forward slash and then type agents. Now, from here, you can manage your agent configuration. So simply hit the enter button and from here, you can see all of the agents that you have. Currently, I have one single agent, that is the security command scanner, and it has listed the same out. You can access it by simply pressing the enter key, and from here, in order to view what is inside this agent, you can simply click on to this first option and it will show you its content. To move back, go to the escape button and press it. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.